song, Take the Skinheads Bowling. Mostly so I could tell the story of this guy, David McDaniel, who was the co-founder of Camper Van Beethoven, but he left after about 3 months of being in the band because he had a calling from God, and he went to become a minister, and he went and did all this cool stuff. But I was thinking about how this song, when I wrote Take the Skinheads Bowling, how this kind of changed the trajectory of my life. And even though he was there with me, is interesting, it didn't do anything. It didn't change the trajectory of his life at all. So it's just sort of an exploration of that. I was working in a liquor store in San Bernardino, summer of 1983. The liquor store got robbed while I was stocking up the cooler. Took a 40 and I went home and wrote a song. I wrote a song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. So won't you take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. It's a song that don't mean anything. It's a song that put me on a different trajectory. Take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. Co-founded the band with a guy named David McDaniel. Had a calling from God and left the band. He went on missions all around the world while I toured around, meeting girls that liked the song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. Take the skinheads bowling, take them bowling. I wrote a song called Take the Skinheads Bowling. Reverend McDaniel built an orphanage. Sadly, you've never heard of him, and you barely heard of me, though I wrote a song called Take the Skinheads Bowling.